welcome to another video. If you're new here, my name is Cheval. You can call me Chev. And to all my returning subscribers, my returning silent viewers who have not yet subscribed, hey, how you doing? Welcome to another video. Today is a vlog, right? It's a vlog. We're planning to go to the beach, but I'm looking outside and I'm seeing overcast clouds over the hills in which we were planning to go. So I'm just like, please Lord, please listen. Let me tell you guys something. You see, this content thing is not easy, right? A few moments ago I was in my bathroom talking to my phone, talking to you guys, and I was sure that I had all the angles and all the everything, and because I wasn't using my front camera like how I'm using it right now, I was using my back camera, and I thought that, you know, there was enough lighting in my bathroom because my light is on, and there was enough lighting in my bathroom, so everything's Gucci. So I'm there recording, talking, doing my little skin routine, spraying my perfume, putting on my lip gloss, talking to you guys. And I said, all right, let's look over the clip. When I looked over the clip, dark. No, you can't do that over because I've done the face already. I've done put on my moisturizer already. I've done perfumed up, but it is what it is. We move on. We learn from the situation and we move on. So yeah, we're pretty much ready now. I'm waiting on my husband to come so that we can go and figure out where we're going. I don't know where we're going, and I'm hoping that the Lord holds up his hands with the rain, because I've been in the house for a good 2 weeks now. I have not been anywhere, and I need some sun. I need some sunlight. I need to be out of this house, okay? I need some vitamin D. I really need it. Really need it. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and like. Go ahead and share. Go ahead and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't be stingy. Don't be stingy. Sharing is caring. Duh. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Guys, welcome to That's So Chev. Okay? That's So Chev. That's So Chev. That's so me. Alright, let's get into the video. Guys, so we are now on our way to the beach. It's looking like we're going to St. Mary, looking like we're going to Strawberry Fields? Yeah, Strawberry Fields. So I'm excited about that. We've been there before, but we have not been there together. So we're going to Strawberry Fields. The kids have not been there either. I'm hoping the water isn't rough, because the last time we went there the water was really rough. So I'm hoping the water isn't roughed around this time. But let's go. I'm so excited. Jamila, AJ, are you excited to go to the beach? Yeah. You excited to go to the beach? Yeah. Yeah. We going to the? Yeah. We're going to the beach. We're going to the beach. We're going to the beach. Oh God, I feel a little off. I don't know why, but I feel a little, my belly. One thing about content creation, when you have to walk up and down with your phone in your hand and everybody else there for you, it just feels so weird. So we're gonna go to SoundCloud Bookstore because the other one was closed. little Pampers. So I want to get some coloring books. So I got some sight words for jam and some writing. So this is 46. I want to get some coloring books, some reading books, some activities for both of them, not just for Jamil, for both of them. I want to get stuff that focuses on like their age. Like 68. These are some big books. These are big. I want to get some reading books because I want to get them out of watching TV and more into reading books. So that's what we're doing. So I got my first 1, 2, 3 for AJ. Because AJ is on his numbers right now. So I got that for AJ. I'm not getting any nursery rhymes because I've learned that the nursery rhymes, the backstories on the nursery rhymes are nothing good. I think I'm gonna get this for Jam. So, reading books. I think I need to get a card or a little basket. In case you ever meet my husband or my children, please ensure that you tell my children how much their mother loves them, because she just spent how much money just to get them some activities at home to do. Okay? My pocket just burned me.
I think I'm here for come out, come here, look here and I say, no man, when babe done buy man, look at me for come out. I need help with them. That's a little body. Just spend about 4 hours.
I did not spend 4 hours,
You spend more than 2 hours in there.
You're being a little bit extra.
You spend more than 2 hours in there.
2 hours?
Oh, you mean you spend more than 2 hours in there, so?
Wow.
Check the time.
Yeah, the last time I checked it was like 3:32.
May reach us before 3 o'clock. May reach us before daily go lunch.
No, daily. Me and you reach down here when daily gone on lunch.
It's 1.5 hours that now, because daily come back from lunch.
Daily went to lunch 2 o'clock. It is now
3:30.
dead. Daily went to lunch 2 o'clock. It is now 3:33.
So 1.5 hours that, almost 2 hours that.
You're still extra. Babe said 4 hours. Oh gosh. They never have no Play-Doh or not like that.
So you're buying this one?
Now for what and look, because the store was very, very scanty. Jamil and AJ colors and books.
Books.
Yeah, what colors and books?
Books. Yeah, it's a books. What's a shoes?
Huh?
No. This one. Book.
No, here's the thing. When we go home, we get them up. Wait, listen. When we, hey, when we go home, okay? I'm not giving you guys no book right now to play with, and then 2 tools, you guys pick them up, okay?
Okay.
When we go home, we're gonna color, and we're gonna color. Yeah. And then another day we paint, and then another day we do something else, okay? Alright? Okay. So guys, You heard my husband. My husband's like, oh, baby, you spent hours. We came down here like maybe about 2:30. No. We reached down here like 2:30 and I finished out of the store like 3:30. So he's being crazy extra. But that's what we're doing. Right now we're getting a smoothie from our infamous smoothie place. The babies are going to be in the video. I don't really care. So I got two poster paints, 2 paints. I got 1 jumbo crayon. Yes. You know, this was. I got painting brushes. They didn't have clay. They didn't have. Hey. They didn't have any Play-Doh, so I got these molding clays. Does the same thing. I got 2 more.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So my kids are very excited about these. I got a glue because our glue finished, and they have a lot of projects coming up. So I bought a chalk. I wish they had what do you call it? What chalk is it? The jumbo chalk? Yeah. Yes. Yes. So I bought hey. No man. I bought 2 coloring books. One like this. I bought
books.
Yes, I bought the sight words book. This is for Jamil. Because Jamil's doing sight words, you know, coloring books. Yeah. I bought 4 jumbo pencils. Yeah. I bought me a little puzzle book because Jamil's moving my hair so that he can see. Guys, wait. Okay? Have some patience, okay?
Yeah.
Alright?
Book.
Yes, book. Yes. I bought me a word search book because I want when I decide that okay, TV time is done and I give them their book, I want to be able to be in a book too. I didn't see any book there that I like to read. Alright, this is for age. Wait. This is for AJ. Because AJ is just 2, so we're learning numbers and we're learning colors. So that's for AJ. I bought a reading book. I love mommy. I love you, mommy pig. So I bought them a few reading books because I want to get back to reading there. Hey, just wait a minute. Wait. The tortoise and the hare. Titch and Tiddler. Yeah. Pigs, eggs. Wait, babies. And of course, 101
Mommy, look at it now.
Bible stories. Give you the books now. Hey. Calm down. Okay. Screenshot me.
Oh, is it?
Gosh. So those are what I got. How much you guys think I spent? Yeah. Elephant? No, what's that?
I have Peppa Pig.
You wanna read Peppa Pig?
Yeah.
Alright, let's read Peppa Pig. Okay. Jamil?
Yeah.
Because you're the oldest one, come here. Which book does Jamil want?
This.
You want that one?
Yeah, Mom.
AJ want this one?
Yeah, bubbles. Colors?
Yeah. No, here's a problem. Jamil, here's a color. I'm going to have to make sure to take these colors from them because the amount of jumbo crayons that we've been through is crazy. Crazy.
No.
but this tripod is long. It is as tall as I am. It is as tall as I am. It's nice and sturdy. It came with Jesus. Make sure I don't lose my little pieces. Them already now. Can't afford that. Can't afford it. It came with this light, so the light goes on top of here, and it's not bright. It's really not bright. It's not bright, but I was just like, sure, take it anyway. New things. I really love this tripod. Really love it. So there's a lot of times I'm in my bathroom and I want to talk to you guys, or like I'm doing my skin routine and I want to get you guys involved, and I can't because I don't have a tripod long enough. But now I do. Now I do. I want to go inside and get a thing there of my smoothies, but the babies are in the car and I don't want to leave them. Good job, boys. Jamila, okay? We're gonna go to the beach. Okay? We're gonna go to the beach, alright? So guys, if you notice, I changed up. I was in my blue dress. I changed from my blue dress to this. Hey, what's going on? Jamil, behave yourself. I changed off because Red Hills Road, sister from Red Hills. So I changed off because of that. So I'm not gonna go in the water, of course. Hobby will probably go and play with them a little bit and stuff like that, and I'll probably stay a little bit more far off. But yeah, we're still gonna go to the beach. It's like after 3 right now, but we're still gonna go. Jamil is not gonna stop until we actually bring him there, so we're gonna have to bring him there. So yeah. Can you believe that my hair could have probably been this big as an afro, because my hair was natural at one point? Maybe with them one hair color again.
Good luck.
You change it? Isn't good luck usually green?
No, mean green.
Okay, so these are good luck.
This are you.
This is strawberry
Madness.
Strawberry madness. So it's strawberry ice cream and
So one of the small good luck at Jamia.
yeah, I know.
And AJ at the chocolate chip.
And this is our chocolate chip. So we reach. Oh my gosh. And my big son run down. Babe, when there?
Let's go to the waterfront and look now.
Where you want your bucket? Wait. Go on. With what else? What else you want? You know AJ not having it. Here. I wanted to give you guys a different look for the beach this week, but I couldn't because I couldn't. So therefore we have to come to a usual spot. Me not in the water, I'm still in a full block. When I see no, I'm not touch the water. It's only Daddy and the boys on the beach in the water right now. The boys gone riding on their on the horse. So me just stay here and wait for them to come back out. guys, so we are still on the road. We're actually getting some fish pot now at Portmore, and then we are on our way home. Did you guys see my hair? Do you see this? I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely love it. The wind did its thing, blew it all over the place, and I'm in love. Yes, Ashani? Yes, I see the car. So we're on our way home. So if you guys don't hear back from me for the rest of the night, or if you guys don't hear back from me, this means it's the end of the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend, okay? Don't be stingy. Don't be stingy. So we'll see you guys in the next vlog. Hey guys, hey, if you're new here, hopefully you guys can see me and you're not too up close and personal. So I need to go to